Are you seeing Netflix error M7361-1253 while streaming in your browser? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just 2 minutes. First, open Chrome settings. Go to About Chrome and make sure your browser is up to date. Next, go to System and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Then, open Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data and clear your cache and cookies from the last 24 hours, or longer if you prefer. When you're done, relaunch Chrome. If the error is still there, check for system updates on your computer. For Windows users, open Device Manager. Find Display Adapters, and update your graphics driver. Now let's test Netflix again. If you're still having playback issues, you can use VidiFab Streaming Video Downloader. It lets you download Netflix videos to MP4 or MKV in high quality. After installing the program, choose your output format and download folder. Then open the built-in Netflix web player. Find the movie or show you want to watch and click the download button. Choose your preferred video quality, audio track, and subtitle settings. Click Download. Once the download is finished, the video will be saved directly to your computer. You can watch it offline anytime or transfer it to other devices. For more solutions to Netflix error M7361, check out the complete troubleshooting guide linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.